Hey guys, welcome to Hank's Garage. There's a series of questions pertaining to maintenance and some telltale signs of things that you may need either for maintenance or for actual repairs due to suspension wear and tear or just weathering altogether. So the first question we have today has to do with alignments. How do you tell if you need an alignment? First of all, doing alignments is pretty standard maintenance. We recommend it at least once a year, given our beautiful Alberta roads. We do recommend them more often than not for the simple reason that this is a good example of a vehicle that had the winters on it with a good alignment. You'll notice the wear a little bit on the edges, but most of the wear is very uniform. It's very consistent. There's really nothing to suggest any indication of a problem. We'll walk over to this set over here where there is a little bit more of an indication for wear. So you'll notice this is off of a European exotic, a Maserati, where these were on last summer. These are ones we're actually replacing for this season before we put them on the vehicle, obviously. So you'll notice on the inside inner edge wear, that's indicative of what we call a camber issue in most cases. And also the wear indicators are right over here. So when you measure depth of the tire wear, you don't measure from here, you measure from the wear indicator out. And that usually tells you how much wear you have. And you can tell on this one, it's quite low. This one here has a little bit of a different wear on it from this edge and center in. So there's obviously some kind of an alignment issue that you can look at visually and determine just at a glance if something needs to be done or not. Those are the visual indications. And obviously the other ones are if you're driving the vehicle, if it veers, it pulls to one side or the other, or if it tends to wander more than it should and you're always correcting. Those are all issues that you need to watch for that are quite simple and common sense to begin the questions of whether you need an alignment or not.